Hey there, model enthusiasts. Ever find yourself overwhelmed by the sheer number of kits in your stash? Well, I've got just the thing for you. Introducing the Modeler's Notebook by Model Minutes, a game changer for organizing your model collection. All right, let's dive right in. The Modeler's Notebook is your perfect companion to keep track of all those kits you've been collecting over the years. No more messy spreadsheets or complicated apps. This notebook brings it all back to basics and keeps it simple. You can log your kits with all the essential details. Got a new kit? Just jot down the manufacturer, the item code, and the kit name. Track your spending by noting the retail price versus what you actually paid for it. Trust me, it's pretty eye-opening to see those savings stack up. But wait, there's more. You can also record the purchase date and the date you finally built it. Perfect for tracking your progress and giving yourself a little pat on the back when you finish a kit. Now, here's a feature I absolutely love. The Notes section. You can add details like whether you bought the kit new or second-hand, if it's partially built, or even if it's still sealed. This is super handy for keeping everything organized and knowing exactly what you have at a glance. The Modeler's Notebook is a must-have for anyone who wants to track their stash without relying on technology. It's a tangible, easy-to-use tool that makes managing your collection a breeze. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about flipping through the pages and seeing your collection in black and white. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Modeler's Notebook by Model Minutes is a fantastic addition to your modeling toolkit. Keep your stash in check and make your modeling experience even more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Happy modeling, everyone!